Big T Lit Gang. It's your girl Glamorous Tay, and we are back with another banger from Keeping Up with Tay. But before we get this video started, if you are not a subscriber, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because my channel is always lit, period. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I am posting my next video. And make sure you guys smash the like button and spam those comments. Because, oh yeah, I forgot. And if you are a subscriber, I thank you so much for being a loyal supporter from day one. As you guys can see in this video, as you guys can see in the thumbnail, I am going to go and get my nails did, and you guys are coming with me.
Bye. Get out.
That's right. You guys are coming with me to get my nails done. And the reason why I want you guys to come with me, because I want you guys to see what the life is like as an influencer that's working and a full-time YouTuber at the same time. So once again, thank you guys for being such loyal supporters. And if you have just became a supporter, I thank you so much, and I love you guys so much. Duh, because you guys are the best. But we are going to get started with this video. I am just going on my break, and then on top of that, y'all, I am on my break about to go and get my nails and stuff done on my break. I also have to drop off my wig too, period. Because I'm going to get my hair done tomorrow while I'm on break. Y'all, I have a busy schedule throughout the entire day. Also, if you are not a part of our new channel, make sure you guys become a supporter there too, because me and my kids, I don't know, a lot of you already know that me and my kids have a channel as well. So if you are not a part of that gang, y'all really want to become a part of that gang. We're always lit over that side. Like, get your kids, your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your animals, whoever, sit down and watch them videos. Y'all, we lit on that side. We lit on this. I'm lit on this side too. But baby, I'm telling you, we is overly lit on that side. So you might want to get into it. Like, we're gonna get into this video, because I'm about to take y'all on the journey with the life of an influencer, working a full-time job and being a full-time YouTuber. How do you go and break, get your nails done? How do you go and break and get your hair done? Y'all, this is the life that we live. We got to go in between schedules and do all of this stuff, because we still got to get cute, and we still got to be open to the public. So I'm about to go get some gas right now. Then I'm about to get some McDonald's, because I can't stop right now. I can't stop like no other places right now. So yeah, I'm about to get some gas, get something to drink, because my lips is dry. And then I'm going to McDonald's, and then I'll be on my way, period. What I did was, I already went to McDonald's, and I already ate, and I already got my gas. So now I am on the way to go and drop off my hair. And once I drop off my hair, I think it's about 12-minute drive to get to my appointment for my nails. So I'm gonna show y'all, let me show y'all the hair. Alright, so this is the hair. It's a 613. She's going to color it as well. So it's a full lace. It's a full frontal lace. And I purchased it off of Amazon.
Done fucking talking.
I'm not fucking done talking.
Talk your motherfucking self.
I'm talking to you, the fuck.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
You done talking for real?
Done motherfucking talking.
I'm not fucking done. I'm not done. The fuck? Alright, y'all, so I just got here. I'm about to get out now. So y'all, I'm about to get out now, and I'll see y'all when I get in there, y'all. My hair is messed up, y'all. Oh my. All right, y'all, I'm here. Period. Y'all be my nail tag. Hey. Yeah, so we're about to get started. And I'll let you guys see, you know, throughout the process. And yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned for more. Jesus.
Hey, I am Brandis. I just did these fabulous nails. Follow me on Instagram at the nail brand.
Period. Make sure y'all go follow her there.
The lovely brand. Everything spelled regular.
Yes, and as you guys know, you guys will see it on the screen. So make sure you guys go and follow her. And yeah, show her some love because we show love on this side. Period. So I will be taking you guys with me to go and get my hair did. Okay, as you guys can see, I got this bonnet on. Right now I am on my break. I just got on my break, so I'm about to drive about 30 minutes to the location so that I can go and get my hair done and then try to make it back in time to get off my break, of course, to get on this thing as usual. So yeah. Oh, and I've been having like a rough week this week because, you know, a lot of my supporters that already have known me personally and that's just known me know that my sister passed away in 2016. This week just hasn't been my week. It's been a very emotional week for me, and I'm still having a hard time, you know, just letting everything go. Not even just letting go, it's just that I'm still having a hard time accepting the fact that she's gone. She was actually my older sister. And yeah, it's just been a hard week for me. You know, I've been very emotional this week, so you know, to be able to go to work, still have a positive mind, go on my break, get my nails done, get my hair done, and still be able to maintain everything all together is very, very you know, I'm very, very strong, and I know that for a fact, you know, because not a lot of people can get through that and still be able to do their daily duties. So I really, you know, applaud myself for that. So yeah, make sure you guys stick around. I'll try to record throughout her doing my hair, but and yeah, like, period, we on it. y'all already know. So y'all watched the whole process of me getting my hair done and getting my nails done. So y'all already know. Once again, if you have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe now, because y'all already know I'm about to get lit. So guess what? That means you need to subscribe. Yeah, now we ain't doing black this year.
Period. Color.
Hello. Y'all already see, y'all already know. Get into it. Get into it. And that's on gang. So I'll see you guys in the next video.